Yes, keep shooting!
Hey Wanderers, welcome to Black Spire Outpost. This is Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Walt Disney World, and this is what it looked like before everything changed. As of May 22nd, 2026, the original mission on Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run has been replaced. What you're watching now is the full original experience, exactly as it was. Walking into the marketplace, every stall and every surface is dressed to feel like a working outpost rather than a theme park. If you've been here, you already know the POVs. They were everywhere. Every corner of this village had them stacked up, waiting to go home with someone. This is Ronto Roasters, and the rotisserie out front is powered by a repurposed pod racing engine droid. It actually rotates. And then you see her. Nothing quite prepares you for how big the Falcon actually is at this scale. You can walk right up to it, touch it, stand underneath it. For anyone who grew up watching Star Wars, this moment hits differently in person. The queue for Smugglers Run is one of the best themed queues Disney has ever built. You are walking through an active workshop around the rear of the Falcon itself. Every surface has a purpose. Tools, cabling, maintenance logs. Nothing feels like set dressing.
And let's ignore the fact that Hondo Ohnaka could hire any one of the hundreds of applicants all around us to replace him. Got it? But even if we forget all of that, you want to know if you could run the whole place yourself. Yep. Okay, in all the cycles I have been here, the only one Hondo Ohnaka has.
These engine props actually fire up periodically while you wait. The sound and the light change fills the whole corridor. It is a small detail, but it keeps the atmosphere alive even while the queue is moving slowly. This is the original Hondo Ohnaka pre-show briefing. The coaxium heist mission. As of today, this no longer plays anywhere in the world.
I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On load for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember.
Quickly, bags at your feet.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise.
Front seat, pilot controls. This is what you came for.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left.
And there she goes.
I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie, let's fly. This thing looks easy, hey? Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
What's next?
Explosive action! Ah, there it is! After that train! The pilot brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has ready, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, fire the harpoons. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. I thought you had it. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We cannot die. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Oh, fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for light bulbs. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to stray species. Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
If you want to keep exploring these experiences before they change, subscribing to the channel means a lot and helps us keep making these videos. Hope to see you on the next one.